EagleRidge, premier roofing contractor in Eagle Mountain, Utah. EagleRidge is the premier roofing contractor in Eagle Mountain, Utah, serving the 84005 and surrounding zip codes with unrivaled expertise for both residential and commercial clients. We offer a comprehensive range of services, including new roof installations, repairs, and routine maintenance for various roofing systems. With our team of certified professionals, we are committed to delivering quality workmanship and using premium materials that ensure long-lasting results. Clients consistently praise our attention to detail, timely service, and competitive pricing. Our meticulous process begins with a thorough inspection, followed by a detailed proposal and seamless installation. Our dedication to open communication and customer satisfaction sets us apart in the local roofing industry. Discover why EagleRidge is the trusted choice for all your roofing needs. EagleRidge provides residential roofing services, including new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections, storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, installation and maintenance of all types of shingles, siding installation and repair, ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, sealing and caulking to enhance energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial roofing services, EagleRidge offers commercial roof installation and replacement, EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan, preventative maintenance programs, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend roof life, soffits and fascia services for commercial buildings, siding installation and maintenance for commercial properties, ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal at commercial sites, commercial grade sealing and caulking. Our company is EagleRidge. Call 801-784-1457, Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, located in Utah and servicing the Wasatch Front. EagleRidge, a premier roofing contractor in Eagle Mountain, Utah, offers a thorough range of services to meet diverse residential and commercial roofing needs. Their extensive offerings include new roof installations, roof repairs, and routine maintenance. The company specializes in various roofing materials, such as asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and flat roof systems. Selecting the right roofing contractor is essential for ensuring quality workmanship and long-lasting results. EagleRidge stands out for its commitment to excellence, with a team of certified professionals and years of local experience. Our use of premium materials, adherence to safety standards, and competitive pricing make us a top choice. Visit our website, EagleRidgePros.com.